Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know your NEET exam center. The National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, or NEET, is a highly competitive examination for aspiring medical students. Understanding the process of locating your assigned examination center is a critical step in your preparation journey. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure you are well-informed and prepared for your test day, minimizing any last-minute stress or confusion. To find your NEET exam center, your admit card is the most important document. It will clearly state your assigned center's name and address. Always download your admit card from the official National Testing Agency, or NTA, website as soon as it is released. Additionally, regularly check the NTA website for any official announcements or updates. Keep an eye on your registered email and mobile number for SMS alerts, as these are key communication channels. Once you know your center, meticulous planning is vital. Plan your travel route to the examination center well in advance, considering traffic and potential delays. If feasible, try to visit the center a day or two before the actual exam to familiarize yourself with the location and surroundings. Pay close attention to the reporting time mentioned on your admit card, typically 1 to 2 hours before the exam starts, and identify your specific entry gate. On exam day, ensure you have all necessary items. This includes your printed admit card, a valid photo identification such as an Aadhaar card, and one passport-sized photograph. Strictly adhere to the dress code, guidelines specified by the NTA, which typically involve light clothing and open-toed footwear. Remember to leave all prohibited items, especially electronic devices, at home or with a guardian, as they are not allowed inside the examination hall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.